Here I'm working on the French 1855 clock again. I went to checking replacing the suspension spring, and the minute hand broke. The minute hand on the French clocks got a shaft that has a square arbor in it, and this shaft came off the main hand, and because the clock was made in 1855, this hand looks original. I don't want to change hands, but I have to secure this shaft to the hand. So what I did was put the shaft in the hand, and then with a punch, I put it in the hole and hit it with the hammer. And the ideal of that is it would spread that hole out. And so now, putting it onto the clock and adjusting the hand so it sticks straight up in the air is what I'm doing now. It just clicked. I have to change the hand to see whether it sticks straight up in the air. And it's closer than what it was, but it's about 2 minutes off. So now, taking my pair of pliers and holding that shaft and turning the hand backwards, to see where it's at on the shaft now. There I have it too far back, so I need to go the other way. It's always good to turn the hand again to make sure that it is correct. I have to wait for the gong to quit chiming. There it dropped, and it's right on the half hour. So I'm going to call that good. I hope y'all like this video. Is that the proper way of doing it? I have no idea. I never went to clock repair school. I just figured things out on my own. I do need to take some white paint and touch up the hand. Both the minute hand and the hour hand could use some white paint. But that's for a different day. God bless.